The U.S. Army has awarded a $322.7 million contract to General Dynamics Land Systems for continued production of second batch of M10 Booker combat vehicle. While exact number of tanks ordered was not disclosed, the M10 Booker is a modern light tank designed to support infantry operations and conduct reconnaissance missions, offering a balance between protection, firepower and maneuverability. Russia's Ministry of Defense has released the first footage of its crewless howitzer prototype, known as the Clever. It features 122mm howitzer mounted on a robotic tracked platform with automated loading system capable of handling 4 rounds, allowing it to fire its rounds and retreat to safety autonomously. North Korea has released footage of tests of its own attack drones. North Korea's news agency KCNA said that the kamikaze drones had successfully completed the test, correctly identifying and destroying designated targets after flying along different preset routes. Russia has released footage showcasing the operation of its anti-aircraft towers against Ukrainian suicide drones in the Moscow region. These anti-aircraft positions are fortified with Pantsir S-1 systems. The elevated platforms extend the radar's field of view, significantly enhancing the system's ability to detect and engage low-flying targets at a greater range.